we thought this is the best time to take care of the interests of the people and came forward.
What's the Prime Minister's vision about Kashmir?
I know, I know there is a realization that we have to carry the people of Jammu and Kashmir along. And if Government of India and the Prime Minister carry people of Jammu and Kashmir along, peace and stability will be a permanent affair. It is something to do with our identity. Having said that, when I came, I have the only satisfaction that we got back at least protection for lands and jobs.
The election fever has gripped Kashmir Valley. Many new parties that were floated after last assembly elections are contesting elections. Apni Party is one of them. We have with us the founder of Apni Party, Mr. Syed Mohammad Altaf Bukhari Saab. Bukhari Saab, thank you for speaking to us. When did you realize that Apni Party should come into existence?
You know, when Government of India abrogated 370 and 35A, the traditional politicians were nowhere to be seen because everybody was under custody, including me. So we thought this is the best time to take care of the interests of the people and came forward.
And do you think that Apni Party can be an alternative to other traditional parties?
That is how everybody starts a party, and that's what we believe. We have been there in the field. We are not a new party. We've been there for 5 years. We have served people. Nobody was served people. Today you see many people, many parties, old and new. But where were they for the last 5 years when people needed them the most?
Sir, from a business person, from a businessman to a politician, how has your journey been so far?
I don't think there is much of a difference from shifting from politics to business, because you in business you work for yourself. Here you work for people, and this gives you a lot of satisfaction. After you are done up with working for yourself, then you start working for people, which gives you immense pleasure.
And what's easy? Is business easy or is politics easy?
Everything is difficult in its own way.
Sir, you have been a founding member of the People's Democratic Party.
I have not been a founding member. I joined People's Democratic Party much after its existence, when they were looking for somebody to represent them in Srinagar. I had family relations with the Mufti, so that is how I was.
But what
I don't want to dwell on those things. Today is a new chapter in the democratic process, a new chapter in my life also. I don't want to remember what was past.
Sir, will we see a sunrise in Apni Party? Any of your children, do you think they are willing to join politics?
I have two sons. Alhamdulillah, they are both settled in their businesses. Maybe when they take a retirement from their business, what they do, nobody knows what is tomorrow.
Sir, you have met Prime Minister a couple of times. What's the Prime Minister's vision about Kashmir?
I know there is a realization that we have to carry the people of Jammu and Kashmir along. And if Government of India and the Prime Minister carry people of Jammu and Kashmir along, peace and stability will be a permanent affair.
And what are your expectations from the assembly elections?
My expectations are, if we are returned to power, we'll get declare a general amnesty for our youngsters, and we will strive to get this statehood back. There are many things besides what is in our manifesto.
So you have been very critical about the abrogation of Article 370. But do you think with Article 370 abolished, the Kashmir issue is far and over now? The Kashmir issue?
Abrogation of 370 and 35A will never be forgotten by Kashmiris. It is something to do with our identity. Having said that, when I came, I have the only satisfaction that we got back at least protection for lands and jobs. But mind you, people of Jammu and Kashmir will never forget abrogation of 370 and 35A.
So many senior leaders have left the party. Is it a big setback anyway?
Every person leaving a party is a setback, but in election time, that is how it goes.
So how is Mr. Altaf Bukhari's party different from the traditional parties?
We have proved we served people in the difficult times after 2019. These traditional parties were nowhere to be seen. We believe in truth and selfless service.
And would Altaf Bukhari Saab be a part of any government formation?
We are not part of any alliance today. What is in store tomorrow, my people will decide. My people means people of Jammu and Kashmir will decide. But mind you, we will not be a part of NDA alliance or India alliance.
Thank you so much, sir. That was Mr. Saeed Altaf Bukhari speaking exclusively to One India. With camera person Irfan Shah, Izhar Ali in Srinagar for One India.
Don't miss out. Log on to oneindia.com for more updates.